Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your portfolio with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To automate your portfolio with Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the investment options available under the Accounts and Trade tab. Select the portfolio option to view your current holdings and performance. Locate the Automatic Investment Plans section. Click on Set up an automatic investment plan. Choose the account you wish to automate. Select the investment type you want to automate, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Determine the frequency of your investments, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Enter the amount you wish to invest at each interval. Choose the specific securities you want to include in your automated plan. Review the details of your automatic investment plan to ensure accuracy. Confirm your selections and submit your plan. Once set up, monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. Adjust your plan as necessary based on market conditions or changes in your financial situation. Utilize Fidelity's resources and tools to stay informed about your investments. Make use of alerts and notifications to keep track of your portfolio's performance. This method will help you manage your investments more efficiently without constant manual intervention. By automating your portfolio, you can focus more on your long-term investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.